Hi, in this video we're going to learn another technique to add or subtract two numbers in our head. It's called the compensating technique, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to add and subtract some numbers mentally by using it. Let's have a look at what it means. Compensating, what we're going to do is round a number to a 10 or 100 and then adjust the answer at the end. Let's see it in practice. Question 1 says to do 46 plus 9. Now you might be able to do this in your head straight away, but let's see how the compensating technique works. I notice that 9 is really close to 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 to that 9 in my head, and I'm going to do 46 plus 10. Because I'm adding 10 on, all I need to do is add 1 to that 10s column. So I'm going to get 56. But I added 1 at the start, and that means that I've gone 1 too much. So I need to compensate by subtracting 1 from my final answer. This gives me 55 as my solution. Let's see another one in action. This one's 63 take away 19, and I notice that 19 is very close to 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 to that 19 and do 63 take away 20 in my head. Really all I'm doing is doing 6 take away 2 in my head, so that gives me 43. But remember, I added 1 at the start, which means that I've taken away 1 too many. Because I've taken away 1 too many, I need to put it back on, I need to compensate. So 43 plus 1 is going to give me 44. Again, all of this is being done in your head. The last one's 124 plus 38, and I notice that 38 is really close to 40. So what I'm going to do in my head is I'm just going to add 2 to that 38, and in my head I'm going to do 124 plus 40. This means that I'm going to add 4 to the tens column, which is going to be 164. But remember, I added 2 at the start, which means that I've added 2 too many. So I need to compensate by taking away 2 from that 164. This gives me 162. I'd like you to pause now and summarize what I've said here, what I've written down. A lot of that is going to be done mentally in your head, so write down some notes that will remind you on how to do it. And that's it. I hope you can use the compensating technique to help you add or subtract numbers mentally. Your textbook mentions another technique called halving or doubling. I don't particularly like it, so if you see any questions that say to halve or double, try doing these questions by using some of the techniques that we've already talked about. Good luck, and if you have any questions, as always, write them down and let me know. See ya.